The reason we've brought you all here today is to introduce the new owners of First Arena and the Elmira Jackals, Mr. Tom Freeman and Mr. Nathan Cook.
Excitement in Elmira today over new ownership of First Arena and the Jackals. More than a year after the county foreclosed on the old owners, team and county leaders are calling it a breath of fresh air. Good evening, I'm Jennifer Sheen, in for Renata.
And I'm Scott Cook. Thanks for choosing WBMY HD News at 6. Their names are Tom Freeman and Nathan Cook. They're local guys operating as Elmira. Now they own the building and the team, ending a tumultuous run for the former team owners from Michigan.
The deal closed late last night. WENY's Kelly Meyer was at the arena for the announcement and joins us now with more on the story. Kelly?
Scott and Jennifer, Tom Freeman tells us it's going to be a whole new experience coming to First Arena. The former arena operator EDA, who also owned the Jackals, has been embroiled in bankruptcy and other court proceedings for more than a year. Until today, the future of the Jackals playing in the East Coast Hockey League was questionable. The new owners say they have a deal with the ECHL for next year. But right now, their focus is the current playoff series with Florida and a run for the Kelly Cup.
It's been a long road to get here. We certainly are excited about the new role that we're going to take as the operators of the arena and the owners of the Jackals. And we're hoping to bring some new life into the community, and we have a lot of things planned, and this is just day one.
Now we have two new owners, both who live here, who work here, who have investment in this community, and I think we're going to see better hockey. We're going to see a lot more community events, a lot more community involvement.
We're continuing to follow this story, and we'll have more at 11, including reaction from fans about the change. Kelly Meyer, WENY HD News.